Welcome to Femtech Studio. From the thumbnail you just saw is dmining.top back. In this video, I will let you know the true facts of where dmining went to and where they are presently. Stay tuned. But before I do that, I would like to introduce you guys to Femtech Studio Animation, or should I call it my new channel called or titled Femtech Animation Studio. This studio is practically based on animations. Okay, so if you are the type, you are a tech person and you actually want to dive into 2D or 3D animation, so what I expect you to do on this my new channel is to click on the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever I release a video on that channel. So just on the search button, search for Femtech Studio. Okay, so this is the channel now, so just click on it. Alright, so presently this channel was just created a few days ago. Okay, and I want to say a very big thank you to you guys that have subscribed to this channel. I really appreciate. Alright, so this channel is majorly made for those who want to develop in their skills in the world of animations. So I'll be using different softwares like Maya, iClone, ZBrush, Dash Studio for 3D animations. And as you can see from what you are viewing right away, I actually use those softwares to create this character. Mostly it was I made use of Maya to create such character, and also for 2D animations I will also be making use of Adobe character animator. Alright, and one more thing, not only for laptop users, I also have videos made for phone users as well. So please, if you've not yet subscribed to this new channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and like my video. Femtech Studio, the main channel you are on right away, what you are viewing right away now, has actually gone wide. Okay, so I actually want to split my niche. Okay, that is for those of you that want to base yourself on animations, you come to Femtech Animation Studio. Alright, and for those of you that actually want to learn how to make money online, okay, how to source online, how to get rich online, how to do affiliate marketing and stuff like that, so Femtech Studio will be there as well for you to learn how to do that. Alright, and that is it. Alright, so let's get back to today's video. So a member of mine recently asked me, that is one of the dmining members, said, "Hi Femtech, I found a site, or should I say I found some people that it seems these people are now dmining, or is dmining back, or whatever." So he sent me the link and asked me to actually do my research on it. And yes, I did my research on it. But first and foremost, where is dmining now? Let's see. So once you open up your web browser and you search for dmining.top, okay, once you search this is what you see, okay, which means dmining has actually crashed. Alright, but if I tell you that dmining is back again, will you believe me? Yes or no? Leave your comments in the comment section before you continue watching this video. Okay, so now let's see where they are, and let's see if it is advisable for people to join again. And someone like me that actually lost almost $500,000 on dmining, will I still do it again or not? I will let you know. Let's continue with the video. So first and foremost, he sent me the link and I registered. So I will actually show you, for those of you that are new, that does not know what the mining is all about. Okay, so just for you to just see, compare and contrast, and for members that are the mining as well, just compare and contrast the two sites. So I have screenshot of the mining when it was functioning before it suddenly crashed. Okay, so now let's see. I'm trying to twist you, but just calm down and understand my point here. So the name of this new website is called Dodge Dogedao.top. Number one tip: dmining.top, Dogedao.top. That is number one. Circle that as number one evidence that this is the mining. Okay. Number two, register. That is when you decide to register, okay, and you make use of invitation code. As you can see on the initial dmining site, the way the registration is there. But here now you can now make use of your email. Then from the email you get a verification code. Then that verification code, the email, the code will be sent to your the verification code will be sent to your email, where you can now verify and put your password, and also in the country code you put Nigeria. Now anyone in the world can now register aside from Nigerians now, okay, because the number is not really functioning like that. Okay, so that is number one. Then invite code is the reference number. So alright, so the invitation code, from what you can see here, is just like when you want to invite someone, your code. I hope you still remember that. Alright, so once you click on register, then that person becomes your downline. Okay, so then once that is done, you input your registration details here, which I have done that. Okay, so I'll just input my registration details here. Alright, so from here now you'll notice when you log in into the mining, you receive a pop-up message initially. This is it. Something like this, okay? Then whereby they give you some updates. So what are they doing here? On this site, they are not mining anything. Okay, this one is you are going to buy a dog. Dog, boo, 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 boo. Okay, you buy a dog, and from that dog you buy, once you purchase that dog, you feed the dog by watching a daily advert. So it's by that way you feed that dog. But once you buy it, then you feed the dog by watching a daily advert, and you earn your money. I think it is every 24 hours. So they only have two dogs present here. Let me show you. So from what you have here, you will notice that at this level, at this point, something like this is also available in on the mining before, isn't it? Whereby viewers, when you click on, you have the home, you have the market, you have, I think, machines or something like that. You also have the taxes, and you have me, okay, or mining, something like that. So you notice this stuff whereby it generates, and people, seriously, people are already joining and people are already buying it. Like, people are joining, people are buying it now. Okay, and let me tell you one thing. One fact is, this site was launched the same month the mining crashed. I think the mining crashed around November ending, October or November ending. So this site was launched around that time. So I will show you a, a way to find if a site is still existent, on how to know how long that site has been in existence. Okay, so this site was launched last year in November. All right, so they haven't seen a lot of participants like that. So if you are lucky enough and you want to make more some cashes, then you can actually join and but do not invest all your life savings on it, because we know the true point of this is they will crash, they will make another new site where people will join again. Okay. So the thing is, let me give you one point. I will surely do it as well. Yes, it is money we are talking about here. I will surely do it as well. Though I lost around 500,000 naira in worth of machines I bought then. One of the major reasons why I said I would do it is because life is a risk. Okay, the business you are doing presently is a risk. Everything we do in this life is a risk. So I will take the risk, but I'll be careful this time around. Though I was beaten bitterly then and with other members, yes, which I apologize. But this time around, they said experience is the best teacher. Now we've know how these people work. Okay, this time around, let's use our head. Okay, okay. But the amount I gained is not compared to the amount I lost. It's just that the new machine I bought, I haven't seen any income there before the machine crashed. Okay, so enough of the story. Let's continue to look at the review of this site, shall we? So when you look at the market, on the market button here, when we click on market, so when you look at the market, if you remember then from the charts, if you remember then, we have something like if I can remember, here is actually something like DMC, where you trade your TRX to get DMC, and where it goes high and it drops, but it goes high and high and high and high and high like that. So this is it. Then we move to the dog. So presently this is the dog. Okay, and we only have, or should I say, they only have two types of dog now presently, whereby their earning cycle is 24 hours. Okay, and you're only meant to feed the dog once. Okay, so these people, what they are doing now is once they see new members, like once they have high income, then in terms of members that join, they will increase the number of dog you can buy. Okay, they will increase the number of dog you can buy. All right. Okay, so this is the dog you buy. You buy the dog in Doge coins. That is, you fund the account using USSDT. Remember, initially the previous ones on the mining, you fund your account using TRX. When you get to a stage, they were now accepting USSDT. But this one, you fund your account using USSDT. I think to purchase this first Dogecoin, you need the sum of 25 USSDT. All right, that's around 18,000 naira to buy this dog. And I think for every 24 hours, you'll be receiving about, uh, I'm not really certain about it, about 7 to, or should I say 1,002 every 24 hours. Okay, if my calculation is right. All right, so that is, you fund your account using USSDT. From the site, it's converted to Dogecoin. Now, how do you get your cash back? It's quite simple. From this site, once the dog has produced you your income, produce it in Dogecoin for you, you convert it to USSDT, then you sell it out. That is, you sell it, transfer it back to your crypto wallet. It's left to you. Okay, so to purchase these two uh, dogs presently is around the, let's say, roughly 80,000 naira. Okay, roughly 80,000 naira, because I did my rough calculation. All right, so like I said, I will surely do it, but I just want to let you guys know the latest update. All right, the latest update. So when will this thing crash? Should I say within May, June? Okay, May, June. So you can invite anyone to join now. But once it's getting around that April, please do not invite anyone again. Okay? Once it's getting that April, do not invite anyone again. Let those who will join tell them that okay, buy the smallest one first. Once you've seen your income from it, then whatever gain you see on that site, use it to buy the next dog. Do not put your money in it again. Okay, that is the gimmick about it now. All right, so then we move to tax. Under this task, as you can see, I have two members presently, which I told them and they were interested as well. But they actually knew what is going on, okay, and they said, okay, fine, they know they won't do more than themselves, and that is it. So for the tax reward, you definitely agree with me that this is the mining. If you look at this tax reward, invite one friend, you get 5 USSDT. Invite two more people, you get 15. Invite five more people, 5 plus the initial ones you've invited will give you the tax reward of number 3. That will now be what? 8. Okay, for example, the first one, invite one friend, you get 5 USSDT. Invite two more people to make it 3, then you receive the second re- reward, all right, which is 11 something. So it's a cool way of making money on faster, but please note, after some time it will surely what? It will surely crash. So do not use a money that if this money is missing from your business, it will tell on you. Thus, you can actually use a money that you know, okay, fine. If I lost this money, I will feel it, but I can still recover. All right. So that is what you should actually do. Do not be so calling that you want to get the highest one, 300 something thousand. Please and please and please, those do it carefully and use your head. All right, so I have my invitation code, as you can see right away, and it has been displayed on the screen since. And is there another thing I actually want to show you? Yes, I think so. I actually want to show you one more thing again. Under the dog, you have what we call my dog. That is, initially it was a machine, the type of machine. Okay, my dog. That is the balance. I haven't bought the machine, but it says balance there. All right. Then withdraw. This is where you withdraw your fund and pledge. If you remember those pledge, then whereby you pledge for 30 days, you pledge for 10 days, you pledge for 15 days. Now it's going to work for you guys. It's really going to work for now. Are you with me? But around that May, anything for May, please and please, you need to be very, very careful. And let me give you one secret again. If you notice any sign of maybe their site closing and they come back again, please just withdraw all your money. Like I said, do not invest all your life savings on this type of site. All right. So that is it, guys. I'll be creating other videos whereby you can actually invest. There's also a affiliate marketing. Yes, this site is, should I say, is on as well, and like I said, I've also joined them. Okay, and I'll be creating video on that as well. This one is different from the mining. This one is all about the highest payment. There is those 35. Okay, those 35, which you can actually do, and you earn your income as well. So it's two ways to it. So but this really pays a lot. It pays faster. That also pays faster, but it's just that do not just invest all your life savings on it. Please, this time around, let's use our brain.